maso amunya butre nyese e kan ye ntia na mukoko kansa maguye so munya ye ho abutre na e nu se ha
me pese me ka se me chiro
kabra
Emma omudi omo nyankopon adoma odi amom no enye only on the earth planet obofo a ohwa asase so ye earth planet no ye nananom ka se asase ya ede no mu so yoba yes ye friend Bumi
the friend is Bumi
Davy oba na oba onu so ohwe sika so no ye ohwe sika so goddess of fortune no onu so yoba ye friend Lakshmi Oba o shenim die so obofo shenim die so ye fene Saraswati
also oba
yes oba obofo a o hye ewiase nina so no ono so ye oba yes inti ma de nyankopon de tumi
ase oba na wutie de ase wutumi so wo obofo hwe sika so ye oba
yes
obofo hwe asase so ye oba
yes
obofo a ohwe sika yaka asase
nimdie yes
also yoba it is bofo be bofo be ma so die wo de be na fa chichire it is bofo me man de no mo
ono shensu o shensu so nsu eto ye Indra ewia so no ye fene Chandra
no wonder
Surya
no wonder ewia be botimi bo na utie o ya eso to so June 3 say nche ne ka June 3
yes
let's bofo bi na share that nasi
ye fene Indra
no so tonku yen erade ya bofo how's your boy Eden but eti we dey enka enye enne discussion no mum dey but akwa koba mu sa Ushawu pa na udo asote to forma die na ekoso ade ne kunkum masa
meda wase ene akonya odi amayen mechia wotiefo ni na Mr. Ola si kase nyame ama to me so a a man so no they are very easily to convince and unti no most times no because it's say omani can niema maybe they are very omo pese omunya bibia entem and this time no the way we are sina koba no a man obia pese onya obema ninsam wo bi sika sem enunti no they get access more into nkola ene ema because enuna this time no I very common ema no omo mpebre omo mpese omo beye omo ni be ma betena se ebe ye jumaden no wehu se o mi kunu we die me maboa no oni bi kura na metine nchen but now no young women ne young girls are mama ba no omo pe bibia tentem enti no mo mfa ho se sika no unya ehfa na unya fiye they are always there for you enti no they become access and also no remember no so mo person mo ye bibia because say what ho ana mini hu na edi enti no say e ba say bibi ba ho se na se me di bibi e sacrifice na se me de okoye
yes wo oba no na me be ye
because mini one edi sika no enti na ye common
na de no on fa be man ye ade no on pe be man fa nye ena wo ka se ma tumi no e wo soro
yes omutumi e wo sunsun mu enti no aya na haye kwa ho enema bi wo ho a wontimi nkyire ne yie wo kyire mu a na amankofo aye omaso akohonom se wo kyira de pa no omo maso nko ade pa no but negative way no eno no mo beko more yes
because who follow sequence of events na issues ICC concerning yakunwe and chai boys be pia or baby free came no muchi se Corolla or se one ibi obani prefi can man no aboda
yes
it has been happening several times
yes
and chai or baby so what one yemi or fear no officer onim de kwai fa so bae enche obi so ayira akwada ba waira yekohu ni atwitwa ne part no da ball so several times
yes because omo mo yesunsun nyuma no a lot of people, no, they demand this kind of things.
They demand a man
because in America say, Nyankopon de to me be a dear memu. I say, Omonim to me a woman more. They will almost Nancy ye. Nanny may be a more yen or metimia yen ye. And you know, say, almost say, those kind of sacrificer. And Memano, if you also on hoarding. Memma no hoarding, to know what you know.
Yeah, okay, I
want physical. Oh, what you bema, a very difficult. By money, they are very weak. And you know, that is why I never win in our air coso. You know, you best see in your man now, much of my brother.
It's the effort to say, be a boyfriend. Now, my boy, no, me who say, okay, be a minimum. My boy, no, a year be to say. But the guy is rich. He's driving in good, expensive cars. Or when Miss Kana Mejia and Obenya Hokwan, or Todd, the Chamina Mejia, no Yahu Quantimity sacrifice. And also, Mangia me free.
Bibia say, Unini Panewo, and Intino Bibiano or the Bemau. Now, the Mawa won't even say one because he say, so Wangia or Bemano Subefele say, oh. And this lady is or Ginny Bibi, and you know maybe I know also for Bafufro, but majority no. See the new money mama, Omunti and Cassidy be me here the way because someone will say I want to me reject it because a lot of women will say the same group, you know.
Yeah.
If you move the Dakamu. Ebi so issue iPhone 12 near the plus near the and you know or the channel on so be man there or the aba you know SMG but on bisa a coin of fast wa onye sika de fie on bisa and they are not interested.
Yeah, because they are holding in there no here
no you know they are not interested in the be man so nya adwen bi say okoba bi ne demand for oba no a because you did not ask me, so you are also enjoying the same. Yes, yes.
Whoa.
Anything about is here, Yakucho Baby, ni say, no funny idea.
You touch your one, no, we also in somewhere in the fingers.
Yes, some almost yet dirty near man, almost requested those kind of things, no, Eddie near my uncle for. And you know,
let us say me or bar dinner may be a bomb who buy. Ever say me or bar, she said, Doria will see me when you be obeying. None the boy, ever so scare, but after that was steady one. I said, boy, and no more war, you know. The deal yes, free, be a yet too sure. If you are ye be son, Madam Bomb who buy.
First thing is say, will be a warning, dear. Na Odi a seminar to name.
Okay.
No one, yes, all whom dear. No one shim. Or she na ohu say sana be mane ya obetimi aye ne ma bia ma wa e be protective.
Okay.
Eno eye susuma de but so ohwehwemu na say sana be mane ya obetimi aka cho say then leave that relationship. Senya e be save you.
Na mi jaya me bi kan di e down ni bio.
Who jaya say because he said what you said now before you are in ignorance.
Okay.
Now no you are in knowledge now.
Okay.
So you can leave that relationship. Send a young found kwe before. Because majority of boys no amu ye no. Amu ye sani man. Ebi how mo peke ohun ne ma wunim. Especially ma pad ni omo panties ni mo ne ade no. Omo de ekoye ne ma.
Eti edi ka ton kra mo mo dada.
Ntini se wunye obi a obetimi aboa wo sunsumu obetimi aye ne ma ma. Obetimi dia cleanse ho ebi wo aye boldin no kra wo baby a udin no appear ho.
Okay.
Because say niema ye atai wachi nti no say wanye bibi sa de ye boldin pe na wo sunsumu apie na de omo be ye no mo aye
ti edi ka ku wo hu
so bibi e be sibia no bibi e be sibia o physical mu no na esi wo spiritual mu asa na aba physical nti no normal say nipadua de no omo de ye nsam niema bi keke
before cry ye be hu no what we cry
o ma yo ho adwuma
oh yes
o ma yo ho adwuma
yes e ma me pacho wuti e tie ni ye mo nu mu ye mo de every say if ko di apple yi ye de apple ko an na ekuma And our iPhone, the 11 Pro Max by and conform my woo and conform and pass. Conform said you are Moja Party, a Pesica wife, 11 Pro Max. 12 Pro Max about it. Yeah. It's not one intermediate match watching, main pens and full VAT.
13 cry.
Okay, it's no, you say no. Yeah, share Saudi Arabia. Then the young do as you call black magic, white magic. Nanka was here share our real, but I'm saying issue went, you know. Me share see it near Ako Kakra. Okay. And I share our real still. Naka and then I can see a share spiritual marriage.
And the opportunity to be a
okay, the spiritual marriage. Because me spiritual marriage to me with one session. Yeah. It's a spiritual marriage. One, me no, I've witnessed some sorry beer, Nikoja will be all. Na yem because a mother 7 or 8. See was spiritual marriage. I say, so listen. It's no suffer no, some sorry for suffer no. Din so be no, you know, more your mother, not or banner to so, no, I should be saying, I ring your baby to say, where you who ring, you know, it will save you. So consistently for all the women, I was like, what is this spiritual marriage thing? Why are they worried about to obey more? It's your neck, me part of spiritual marriage in area.
Medasi, Mr. Ola. You come spiritual marriage. I am uncle Phone, Susum, Omamu Susumu near Manu. Omaye ni Nema Bibriama, you know, a bonko fuhu, near the idea. You can't spiritual marriage, you will move to. Ye wo de maybe yes sunsum bi aware wo sunsum yase eno ye different and ye wo baku a ye friend of Mangala Dosh eno no majority of women wo that issue no I no enye spiritual eno no because say die wo no some planet be aye influence in your life ebema waresem aye diamam say die wo no day na your month ni wo no because of the influence of the constellation and I say planet in location it creates some influence be a friend malefic influence in the life of oba and I say bema wabrabom ebema awaresem aye din. And a lot of people are into this. But omoko asophobia wa omobeka si ya wari wo sunsun.
There's no moon mean sunsun.
Nenye sunsun bia because the planets are not in the line of your charts. Enintino so uko waria because the planet ni good ema unintino uko waria esese ofia wari ni mu. Neno enye be yi and I say sunsun bi na wari wo. Yes, but majority of them, yes. So majority of people no, omu count nini na boom. Ama obi oha obi treating sa obi ye nema ma sa but still no. Enko unless say you are able to do ceremony to pacify those planets. Answer.
Enye oba from so.
Enye from so, but because say you can't karma or the fee in the previous life no the aba.
Oh, okay.
Intino se we those ceremonies in Emmanuel, the planet become aligned and very favorable for the person. And untino a lot of spiritualists, omu name this science. And untino se obiaba on chenya no malefic influence in his charter because omontia si intino omu se ya wari wo susumu. Ma susumu awade no most times you be say maybe obema bi anasa oba bi ono woda yem eno de yesunsum de
se me so daye ni oba na me so daye na me hu se
enye ni na nso
okay
obu oha na ade asa no wakohwe pornographic movie enti no ohwe pornographic movie no a recording in his subconsciously enti no oda obedwin hu se oni oba bi ada no anoba ade beti na no hu sane no and no nye spiritual marriage.
Na obi nsusu a woda ohu ni say enye ba ko nye mienu nye miesa.
Yes.
Ehwo ana aba, ehwo ana ejan.
Yes.
Ohu ni say obi ni na ida. Na ono anu tun say ono ade ne se hye ne ho.
Yes.
But ohu so obi so da no so one na ida. Ne ho ba.
a entity being any yes adeno. And a spiritual marriage. And asema making I feel never more.
We're not making minimum papro. Yeah.
Ebe more. Because ebe more pa this time. Because now no. Now no. A man member be no. That is what they are doing. And there was some beings be over. This is what they feed on.
There you, my confusion. Me question me bisa ani obi true story a. Woda who so be done so on the na ordinance ono ehye but the wo so tie mu akopie no so akopie won a ono adi enoma hyehyɛ o mase na wo see ebeye more more the ebeye because say banchi you know what the banchi oh and Tuesday na story will be the banchi akoshe na say na lock it and you are operation akoyi banchi na free oh it next who chire mu say on the first person na make candidate no
esunsum yes esunsum
it is any na worry why then
yes and yes say oka nipa say no oka obeka die o experience but on can die ono why
okay
because bibia obeye bia no there's a cause and effect nipa no a o ka asase mi no maybe no wa sha ase deda ana susumi di ne ho abagim okay majority of people no they do these activities not spirit be head in one before because you are open choir man.
Yes, or masturbate
yes, or yeah before. Now no any some entity be connected. Into so or yeah or Felice obi or a present.
Oh, okay.
Yes, into nipa no so be can crea or be can say or no yes did that and sana to me na abe yes. But or can't the war on can of creditino or best
masturbating
on can't the or be catch the dear susumini any send ya won't feel say oh now we can we a bad activity before this thing happen. But omuba na ye ni omudin komo ye who say oh this thing you were doing it before. And you know this is what you call for. A idea wa frefre aba intini say ba oso then you have to find a solution.
Yes, and the wuchi mu nyina no kosi say wo masturbate here. Say we ye bemo wo ba o etimi ma wunya sunsumu aware.
See your doctors be brave, physicians be brave. They are encouraging people so money sad way say any bad thing but obi a onim
so be so akase masturbation
any bad thing yes. But obi onim sunsuma de bia no because sperm no a life enu ti na ewura oba mu atimi di akola aba no enti no say the more you are doing it you are invoking some entities that this is what they also feed on. They feed on enti no ebi wo ha why addicted o tina ka mu kura no person ye ohwe ha no obi ani ha ese so ye
hu oba na tusu kakra bi pe
ese so ye that yes. Because now no what be access body now be a vessel to be used to do that. And you know only pasano o man enduro o man counseling o man den still obesan ye because at the end tinimu e ba esa akomo no se ba wo so ansane no ho asane no and you know e ma any member o mu yesade no omu ndi atinie say oh enye no kure me mom 5 years me mom 5 years pepepe yes me mom 5 years they will experience in near America no someone jindia ye won kofo bebre wo ho a o ma yesade we ya hon omu ntimi ni obi ndi hu nkomo because omu they are prominent in the society. Now, can once more you feel say I don't know obi a wonim die say and I say we say I don't know we say yes Emma no kura ni bebre wo a ma wari asei.
Correct.
Emma ni bebre wo ma wari asei because ukunu kura no wan ye ne ho kura nye wakono biem. You will enjoy that pleasure na sunsun ni ba ono wo ye no. You enjoy it more than ukunu anasa wo yere.
Listen, you who can there will be a word see bia na ono so o masturbate no so e careful.
Esi so jai. Opo bi o sunsun munim de na open up to the person. Na wa guide no in a way a obesimi afrim. So when free dia insem bebre beba.
Yes, a womb oba
ebema usika sem adropo.
Masturbation.
Yes, ebema usika sem adropo. Adwin a odwin no kura wontimi nwini yie.
Sir?
Oh, so omo yes ade no. Omo beka no kure a. So omo beka ebema wadwin is slow. Be slow. But omo nka no kure no.
Be not ferry. A friend so beka say o masturbate by your man so a say no mo ferry.
Omo ferry e would be say kra de e common no omo advertising niam no e social media.
And what twice be brave.
Yes.
Now the one is kind of cover bunch in here. You can buy any banana. So what I say. But one was the cano.
Yes.
Our machines could be vibrating.
Almost vibrator.
It is animating. You know, I was
seriously.
For whom banning you and not soon be so enjoy.
Yes. Because that act, you know, is so Yankopon born mainly for only ukunu. Say a union no ebe nsusuanso bi beba ene yakola but who the own person obey no who person you satisfy your own self and you know there wo ye no there are some entities around who for when you so they also become attracted to these things
send you more money
also on any so beji hu so who ye no when you agi Uye no when you are almost some person money soji. Tino they will take access, no. Every time we be on so here be na
no why ye
senior won say you are conform bi wo ho a omo nim cigarette no.
No correct.
But say a community scene so betimi anom one packet.
No correct.
Sanity ebe show mu a and I say any wu ye adwuma because you have become one my loopholes. Ama omo access vessel for them. Inti no se baby a obeko bia no se omo hia that thing no a no na tiesi omu wanya wo hunto
it will be seen in masturbation no say atenkan ba esi ni so say akonfo also what yes ye I just wa yama no aba
yes
let's say hu bi
na dey is yes inti na sese nipa no o share obi a onim this nimdie and those kind of things no because you are deriving some enjoyment or some pleasure from in unya some pleasure be replace
okay that is how you save yourself from
that is how you can save yourself. You need a higher pleasure a bro that thing say we hear all those things now and lasting for a long time just some few seconds or few minutes not a call. But you need something to replace it. Ebeboa senia u wajinene nko hobiem.
Okay.
Because so you are doing that activity. And only your spiritual things. I chire. I no uye constantly you can develop from it. Ebema willpower no. I higher senia that niemane eba mukura no a you can resist yourself. Na ye niema ma we di dware ni ade na a cleanse a pamo all those things if you
it's yabusia wa utie nice yeah spiritual marriage but no yete any and the apakopi masturbation say masturbation to me ma wonya spiritual husband spiritual wife
ebi mo kra na nowadays kra no a man now omu yi yom ho no omu yiyom hu bebrebe no
say omu
so omu shatade na omu furuma mu gugu ono omu no fu no ho ani ni nago enye nipa ni na ne enam kwa ho enye nipa na enye nipa ye hu say your nipa form see enye omo ni na nenam kwa ho we have different beings that almost somonam into ne sebi wo ho they see your body they become attracted. They become attracted into no say oh ntade a wo hihye ne wakoye ebi kura na wo ye nipa okay but wo susun boni na me ye ba no me obi kan wasem there was a time obi na asofo a omaba no omutimi hu pant crash wo it's hu brazia because they have some beings bia eyi kire wom
okay
they possesses those kind of beings omubetimi hu atade ehye wo pant ehye wo ade kura ewo atade mo hu. So those are the things in crofobia enso wo onye hu wa because you have become attracted to the person o da ho obetimi invoke you no wada yes and ekoso
hu na hu oba wa dress ya no hu gugu kakra no
wa feel attracted
wa ya attracted to oba no
say
oja obibi ebetimi allocate ufi ama no
sure
anadu wada no
sure
oba I say entonton bi am na omudi nkomo na nsen I will say ade oboni je hu ni say on beba wo dem na wada naked I'm sure say wow what a full chicken next anadu wada no no so aba be
waba it's something that is happening but in nkofo bebri won aya omo pese omo keep all those things to themselves omo hu nipa omo betimi a share those too but I know say nima ekoso
na de oma me ma share
ntine ye besre ntade a omo hye nima omo hye no omo hye ni yi because they are invoking one awo frefre nima na ba ho because say bema kura hu a bema hu say wa de jada ho kura na how does the person feel of feeling say oh obu ho kura na mentally no obetimi ahwe o say ya no woda
hey
yes oh you have not seen
ye jina bonte na me twem wo hwe wa no da ona adwum yes
you have not seen oh come on kra
abusha media de metimi an say me di nimdifo beba no ma ba be churchill na wa femu aba na uhia moa wakọ maso eso no ma boa me metimi moa me ni huhu nsem ensem o ka bebre wa me ni munya maache me ni mu hwe etino we na wo kan nyina no timi invoke mobi ware wo huhu ma wo ni mu hwe
yes
wo ba dress basa na ho gugu ho wa de say wo bo life obi zu hu e na kono ba o tumi na wo no da na jo
yes
wa da na jo no na sorry no ba be enjoy no ko e kan na ye ni da no aware wo hu ba wo ni mu hwe and obi so also of masturbation through masturbation no obenya spirit bi no aware o be man so a wo pepe na o spams na yesi ahodi wom ma me kan tro mo spams na yesi ahodi wom eti ahodi no so ye wo spirit omo pe
yes
obi catch me say
spam crank croffoto
no crack
croffoto the yen niam bebre
your hospital so omo to
yes
and obi so catch say spams no cran no ye no na demons e dey reproduce ye ndem ni mu hwe next week ye ba na ye bisa no achiremu the spams no no ye dey omo konom amamo de sra ade no obi anya no no ti de ba bi pepe no akwa this spams omo vimia etino ehifana won wa sabi wo WhatsApp problem we won wa wo ebia wo go through spiritual marriage na wonim ni onya ne ho beto no ona ofere so obeka kire obi unzo obi wo ha ofere ena obi won so obenya na ko no aba wo na ase no obi say nisumi ha oni my mpps ma sese no spirit bi aware me na maji me ho age emfa etino ebia eja ubetimi aboa me ehifa no mubehu no mo meje moa
okay your social media Facebook and YouTube Devarishi Das Asamoah Facebook and YouTube ube subscribe and also like your page on Facebook and also ube to me aframe was 057 862 2330 057 862 2330.
Eti wey ye wa say wo humu problem and I say bia wo go o ye masturbation na wa ware wo humu topic no yate ani ba wo hu so bi ware wo humu na wo nya so mfa so na hawa number abefre no ye sense su bi
057 862 2330.
Okay.
And also betimi afre me so ewo 054 194 0276.
Okay, you know there me will have 0541 94 0276. So what spiritual marriage problems e dia ye kai wo ye ma o masturbate wo de kukumba hye wase sa. Hey mami, yes who be worry wo yo 0541 94 0276 na wo mo na hu kwan abefa so a obesave but topic no nyame adma next week there ye benya dachi na ye bibi mi ahwe kwan abefa so a obi betimi ade no ho abuja
Medas
ye fancy
Medas
nyame sharp 0541 94 0276
phone be vibrate
abuja fo ehu ehu wo dia kwaso na pepe kwaso na